If you're looking to enhance the comfort and style of your vehicle while reducing heat and UV rays, ceramic tints are an excellent choice. In this video, we'll showcasing the top 3 ceramic tint options available in the market, highlighting their features and benefits. For more information and pricing on the featured ceramic tints, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Upgrade your vehicle's appearance and protect yourself from harmful sun rays with the best ceramic tints. Now, let's dive into the world of high-quality ceramic tints. DIY MOTOSHIELD Pro PRECUT Ceramic Tint. The DIY MOTOSHIELD Pro PRECUT Ceramic Tint is designed to block 99% of harmful UV rays and up to 99% of infrared heat radiation, providing superior heat and UV protection. By keeping your vehicle cooler in warm weather, it helps you save on energy costs and protects your car's interior from fading, cracking, and peeling. Installation is made easy with precision-cut window tints that fit your vehicle's exact windows. The ceramic film is thicker than most, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. Plus, it won't turn purple or fade over time. For optimal results, a heat gun and professional installation kit are recommended. It offers a lifetime warranty against defects in manufacturing and guarantee. With extreme heat-blocking nanoparticles, this automotive window film keeps you and your family safe and comfortable throughout the year. True Line Automotive Ceramic Tint. Enhance your vehicle's privacy, style, and protection with True Line Automotive Ceramic Tint. With the option to customize your order, you can specify your vehicle and desired shade using the Customize Now tab. This kit is specifically designed for all side and back windows, making it convenient and hassle-free. This ceramic tint is pre-cut to fit your windows perfectly, eliminating the need for any trimming. Choose from high-quality tint shade options including 5%, 20%, 35%, and 50% to suit your preferences and meet your needs. Experience the benefits of this premium window film, which blocks 82% of infrared radiation, IRR, and 99% of harmful UV rays. Not only does it provide increased privacy, but it also helps to protect your vehicle's interior from fading and damage caused by UV exposure. Achieve professional-looking results with easy DIY installation, eliminating the need for expensive professional services. It offers a simple and convenient solution to transform your vehicle's windows, providing excellent UV protection, a range of shade options, and precise pre-cut designs. MOTOSHIELD Pro Nano Ceramic Tint. The MOTOSHIELD Pro Nano Ceramic Tint provides superior protection by blocking 99% of harmful UV rays and up to 99% of infrared heat radiation. Enjoy a cooler and more comfortable driving experience, especially during the warmer months. Preserve your car's interior with this sun-blocking solar shade. The automotive window film tint prevents harmful ultraviolet rays from damaging your seats and dash, reducing cracking and fading over time. Installation is made easy with the 2 mm thick nano ceramic window tint. It can be applied to flat windows using a heat gun, making it suitable for DIY enthusiasts. Alternatively, you can opt for professional installation for a flawless finish. Choose from a range of tint shades with options ranging from 5% to 75%, allowing you to find the perfect balance between privacy and visibility. Rest assured that this nano ceramic window tint won't turn purple or peel after installation, ensuring long-lasting performance and aesthetic appeal. Thank you for watching our video on the best ceramic tints. We hope you found it informative and helpful in your search for the perfect tint for your vehicle. Ceramic tints offer superior heat rejection, UV protection, and enhanced privacy, making them an excellent choice for any car owner. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below.